bills and seeing debit audits going off on your card is all part of adult life. But with all of this said, have you planned for Christmas yet? Is this Christmas going to be any different than last year? Well, there's still 3 months left before Christmas. There's still enough time for you to have your own online business and start making an income. With digital marketing, we as South Africans can earn in dollars, and that makes a world of difference. But digital marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's like an aeroplane that needs to take off. It first needs to go on the runway before it takes off. The same with digital marketing. Digital marketing, there's a skill to learn. Digital marketing, you need to buy your first digital product, and the same product that you bought once, you can sell over and over and over again for 100% profit. This means after the first sale, you're already in profit mode, and you get your automation. So your whole business is working with automations. So you don't need to DM anybody. You don't need to cold call anybody. You don't need to recruit anybody. You don't need to bother friends and family. We belong to a community where we get daily training. And within the community, there's more than a dozen six-figure earning digital marketers. We learn their strategies for free. There's no overheads and there's no monthly fees. If you want to know more about digital marketing, please say yes in the comments. I would absolutely love to share with you.